And it is definitely not just a basic houseplant. If yours looks small, leggy, or stuck in the same size for months, it's not because the plant is weak, it's because you're unknowingly blocking its natural jungle mode. Here's the shocking truth most plant owners never realize. Philodendrons are fast-growing tropical climbers. In the wild, they race up trees, producing huge leaves, thick vines, and unstoppable growth. But indoors, they often get trapped in survival mode instead of growth mode. And the difference between those two states comes down to a few simple care triggers most people completely miss. In this video, you're going to discover the exact philodendron care secrets that instantly switch your plant from barely surviving to growing like crazy. We're talking bigger leaves, faster vines, stronger roots, and that lush jungle aesthetic you see in plant magazines. No expensive tools, no complicated plant science, just simple, powerful adjustments that unlock your plant's natural growth engine. If you've ever said, "Why is my philodendron not growing?" this video will change everything. Let's wake up your plant. Section 2. Bright, indirect light equals growth engine. Light is the #1 factor controlling philodendron growth speed, and most people get this completely wrong. If your plant is sitting in a dark corner far from a window, it is not growing, it is surviving. In low light, philodendrons slow everything down. Leaves become smaller, vines stretch out searching for brightness, and growth almost freezes. But when you give it bright, indirect light, everything changes. Suddenly, the plant activates its growth hormones. New leaves appear faster, stems become thicker, and the overall plant structure becomes stronger and more compact. The key word here is indirect. Direct sunlight can burn the leaves, especially through glass. Instead, place your philodendron near a window with filtered light or sheer curtains. East-facing windows are perfect. North-facing windows also work well in many homes. Another powerful trick is rotation. Turn your plant every 7 to 10 days so all sides receive equal light exposure. This creates a balanced, fuller plant shape. Within 2 to 4 weeks of improving lighting conditions, most people notice dramatic changes: larger leaves, deeper green color, and visible new growth points. If light is wrong, nothing else matters. Fix this first, and your philodendron instantly upgrades its entire growth system. Section 2. Watering equals balance, not frequency. If there is one mistake that silently destroys philodendron growth, it's overwatering. Many plant owners think more water equals more growth, but for philodendrons, the opposite is often true. These plants hate sitting in constantly wet soil. When roots are trapped in soggy conditions, they struggle to breathe. And when roots can't breathe, growth slows dramatically. The secret is balance. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, check the soil first. Insert your finger about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. If it feels slightly dry, it's time to water. If it still feels damp, wait. When you do water, do it thoroughly. Let water flow through the pot and drain completely. Never let the plant sit in excess water at the bottom tray. This creates a natural cycle: moist soil for hydration, dry periods for oxygen flow. That oxygen flow is what triggers fast root development, and strong roots equals fast top growth. You may notice something interesting after fixing watering habits: fewer yellow leaves, stronger stems, and new shoots appearing more often. Remember this rule: philodendrons don't want constant water, they want the rhythm of nature. Get this balance right, and your plant will reward you with explosive growth. Section 4. Feeding for jungle mode. If your philodendron hasn't been fertilized in a long time, it's basically running on empty. Soil alone cannot provide everything a fast-growing tropical plant needs, especially in a pot. Over time, nutrients get used up, and growth slows down. That's where feeding comes in. A simple, balanced liquid fertilizer can completely transform your plant's performance. During the active growing season, spring and summer, feed your philodendron every 2 to 4 weeks. You don't need anything complicated. A standard houseplant fertilizer works perfectly. Once feeding begins, the changes are noticeable. Leaves grow larger, vines become thicker, new growth appears faster, and overall color becomes deeper and healthier. But here's the important part: never overfeed. Too much fertilizer can burn roots and cause stress. Think of feeding like giving your plant small energy boosts, not constant overload. Another pro tip is to slightly dilute the fertilizer more than recommended if you're a beginner. This keeps things safe while still promoting strong growth. When combined with proper light and proper watering, feeding becomes the final accelerant that pushes your philodendron into jungle mode. Without nutrients, growth is limited. With nutrients, your plant finally reaches its full potential. Section 5. Climbing trick equals larger leaves. One of the biggest secrets in philodendron care is this: climbing changes everything. In nature, philodendrons don't grow flat and droopy. They climb trees, reaching towards light in dense tropical forests. And when they climb, something amazing happens. Their leaves get bigger, much bigger. Indoors, most philodendrons are left trailing or hanging, which keeps them in a juvenile growth stage. But when you give them a moss pole, stick, or vertical support, the plant thinks it's climbing a tree. This triggers mature growth. You'll start to see thicker stems, stronger aerial roots, and dramatically larger leaves over time. To do this, gently guide the vines towards a moss pole or support structure. Use soft plant ties if needed. Keep the pole slightly moist if it's moss-based, as this encourages aerial root attachment. The transformation is not instant, but it is powerful. Within weeks, the plant starts adjusting. Within months, it can look like a completely different species. If you want that dramatic jungle plant aesthetic seen in plant magazines, this is the secret most people miss. Climbing doesn't just support your plant, it upgrades it. Section 6. Pruning equals explosive bushiness. It feels counterintuitive, but cutting your plant actually makes it grow faster. Philodendrons have dormant nodes along their stems. These are hidden growth points that stay inactive until triggered. When you prune a vine, you're essentially sending a signal, it's time to grow. The result? Multiple new shoots appear from one cut point. Instead of one long vine, you get a fuller, bushier plant. This is especially useful if your philodendron looks leggy or stretched out. Pruning helps reset its shape and redirect energy into new growth. To do it safely, use clean scissors and cut just above a node. You don't need to remove a lot, just strategic trimming. Even small cuts can trigger big changes. Another bonus, you can propagate the cuttings in water or soil to grow new plants. So instead of losing anything, you're multiplying your collection. Many experienced plant growers use pruning as a growth strategy, not just maintenance. If your goal is a dense, lush philodendron instead of a long, trailing vine, pruning is one of your most powerful tools. Section 7. Humidity equals big leaf energy. Philodendrons come from tropical rainforests where humidity is naturally high. When grown in dry indoor air, especially with fans or air conditioning, their growth slows down and leaf size often decreases. But when humidity increases, everything improves. Leaves become larger, smoother, and more vibrant. New growth unfurls faster with fewer imperfections. The ideal humidity range is around 50 to 70%. You don't need expensive equipment to achieve this. Simple methods include grouping plants together, using a pebble tray with water, light misting, occasional but not excessive, using a humidifier for best results. One important note, misting alone is not enough for long-term humidity control, but it can help temporarily. When combined with good light and proper watering, humidity acts like the final layer that enhances everything. Think of it as the finishing touch that makes your philodendron look truly tropical. Now you know the real secrets behind explosive philodendron growth. It's not luck, it's not expensive products, and it's definitely not random. It's light, water balance, feeding, climbing support, pruning, and humidity, all working together like a system. When you apply even a few of these changes, your plant stops struggling and starts growing the way nature intended. Bigger leaves, faster vines, stronger structure, that full jungle look you've been trying to achieve. But here's the most important part: consistency. Plants don't transform overnight. They respond to repeated care signals. Stay consistent and your philodendron will reward you for years. If this video helped you, imagine what your plant will look like in 30 to 60 days after applying these secrets. Now tell me in the comments, which secret are you going to try first? And if you want more viral plant growth hacks like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.